So we're moving on to a new concept now. In programming terms, you make lots of decisions. For example, you made a decision today to either watch this video or not watch it. Or maybe right now you've decided, oh, I don't want to listen to this video anymore, so you've made another decision there. I make decisions, for example, if I'm hungry, what do I want to eat, and I go and get it. If I'm thirsty, what do I want to drink, and I go and get it. So there's lots of decisions happening in real life, in the real world. So we're looking at this idea of decisions, and I've used this example about the weather. And I've said it's all about making weather decisions. First one says, get the state of the weather using the keyboard. So I'm going to use a print command. What is the weather like? Now it's very open-ended, so I'm going to say I have to use good or bad only, because you could type anything in, couldn't they? Now, because I'm trying to restrict the input, I'm expecting the word good or the word bad. Okay. Now, good and bad are words, therefore they're strings. So I'm going to say s weather equals input. Notice I'm not making use of the int command to convert anything to integers or anything like that, because I want them to type in words. So that's okay to type that then. Now let's test this. Oh, need to save things, by the way. I'll save this as weather and then run it. So it says what's the weather like, good or bad, so I'll just type in any old rubbish. Right, so I accepted that because there's nothing telling it not to. So that's the first part. Now, based on if it's good or bad, I want different things to happen. I reckon if it's bad, I'm going to stay at home. And if it's good, I'll go for a walk. Now, the word if, I used it there, and I'll type it now. If is one of these sort of things that does happen, right? If this, if that. So if the weather, so what have they typed in? Two equal signs, bad, and then a colon to represent this is an if command about to be started. So let's examine what it says. I'm saying if the weather equals bad. Now I'll put a comment there so you can see it. Equals means is equal to. So you're basically asking a question. So is the weather equal to bad? Is the weather equal to bad? So if I've typed in bad, that basically means this is a question I'm asking of it. Now what happens if the weather's bad? I'm going to stay at home. So simple message. I am staying at home, not going out. There you go, decision done. So let's test this one out. I'll type in good, nothing happens. Ooh. Try it again. I'll type in terrible, nothing happens, but I'm going to try and match this if command, its question. I'll type in the word bad. I'm staying at home, not going out. So it's realised I've typed in the word bad because the value is the same as what I've typed in, and it does equal to bad. Yes, it is. Notice bad's within quotes because it's a string of text, and I typed in a string of text, therefore that's why the quotes are there. Also notice indentation. As you can see here, the print command, which is just over here, that only happens or is executed or run as long as the if command is correct or true. Now because I typed in bad, it was correct or true, therefore it does that line there. If it wasn't bad, therefore I type in a different word, that line is not executed. Let's add in the same concept for good. I'm going to copy and paste that just for quickness, change that to good, and this basically means is the weather equal to good? And if it is equal to good, I am going outside for a walk. Then save it. Let's test it for bad. There you go, I'm staying at home, not going out. And let's test it for good. There you go. I am going outside for a walk. So good and bad are being compared with each other based on whatever I typed in with the keyboard. So that's pretty good. It definitely works out, and it's not that bad. The question with this is, can I break it? Yes, I can. Bad. Capitalized. It doesn't work. Run it again. Bad. Like that. Any combination of bad that is not this won't work. What's this? Baddie. Doesn't work. It's looking for lowercase BAD. Like, I forced it to do lowercase. Lowercase. Now if you want to force whether somebody types in to make it lowercase, you can do this. Dot lower brackets and then save that. So I'm saying here, input from the keyboard or whatever it is, basically even whatever string it is, make it lowercase. Let's test this now. BAD. I'm staying at home. So it's taking the capitals there. Doesn't matter if they're mixed case upper or lower. It's taking whatever's there and ensured it's lowercase. I'll run that again. And we'll try that with good. G-O-O-D, all mixed up. Still works. And that works to lowercase. Now if you want to change that from lowercase to upper, just change that to upper there. Right, now this won't work at all. BAD crashes out. Why? Because it's looking for lowercase here. Make that capitals then, and that capitals. So it's up to yourself which way you want to do it. Do you want to make them all lowercase or make them all uppercase? So I'll type in bad lowercase. It still works because it's been converted to uppercase now. So I can use dot lower or dot upper. Either one will work. You just choose the way you like it. I actually do like, and I'll undo now, using that Control Z key. I do like using the lower version of it. I've always liked using the lower version. But it's your own personal choice. Again, we've got the indentation for this if as well, and it works in the same sort of way. There's also no need for a try and catch here, to be honest, because nothing's really going to break.